Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to be looking at another tricky part of PowerPoint. Let's say you are a presenter and you need to introduce members of staff. So that's what we are going to see how best we can bring the presentation to a unique look. And the final result is going to look like this. All right. So how we achieve this, let us just dive in and see how we achieve it. Okay, fine. As usual, we just have to make our layout, as usual, make our layout empty, making our layout empty, then draw a rounded rectangle like this. Draw a rounded rectangle like this. Okay, make it a bit, adjust it. Don't worry, adjust it. You will see while we are adjusting it. You can just make it a bit bigger, then duplicate it, then take the duplicate back, let it look as if it's aligning, then just reduce it. I'm going to reduce it because you will see the magic we are bringing in. Reduce it and let it come into the rectangle this way. Just reduce it to your taste. Just reduce it to your taste. Remember, we want to introduce the member of your team for the presentation. So you can duplicate the smaller rectangle again, duplicate it. This time around, you take it up, make it a bit smaller like this, like what you are seeing. Then you make it smaller, make it smaller. All right, and let it be in the center of the bigger one, just like this. All right, fine, let it be. Okay, I think, all right, this is also aligned. Okay, so the next thing we'll do is can we just make this 100% round like this, and maybe we should just reduce it more. You know how the ID card O looks? You know how the ID card O looks, right? So that's what we're trying to achieve here. All right, so next we are bringing in our circle, and let the circle be a bit small. Let it be a bit small, and let's have it drawn around this. Let's have it drawn around this. All right, then select the bigger rectangle, select the two shapes up here, go to your shape format, go to merge shape, select fragment. Okay, then delete everything we have here. I'm going to be deleting everything we have here. Now I'm going to be deleting everything we have here. All right, then we want to change the color. Let's change the color to, let's say in our company we use a gradient color. So we go to fill, format shape, so that we can have our gradient coming from it. Format shape, fill, gradient. Okay, let's choose preferred color. Let's say in our company this is what we use. All right, let's say now in our company this is what we use. Okay, fine. I think we are good. All right, so having done that, coming with your another rectangle. See, just look at the wonders we are going to do with the rectangle. Just rotate it a bit. Okay, let's take it this way. Bring it along this side. Okay, let it be a bit smaller. All right, that's going to be representing our row. Okay, let's duplicate it and let's have it drawn this way such that it goes like this. All right, then we send this very one to the back. We send it to the back. Okay, and we also want to format this. Want to format this. Let's say the color. We are giving it a solid color, and it's going to be a very, let's say something like this. Okay, so if you have it like this, then let's take out the outline. Take out the outline. Okay, then actually I actually want us to change this color back to white. Let's have a solid color white. Okay, are we good? Okay, okay. I think we are good. So what we'll just be doing is changing, formatting our background. We are formatting our background this way. Okay, right this way. I think we are good this way. All right, then let's assume you already have the passport of all your co-staff. The next thing you need to do is just to select this smaller box. Select the smaller box. You might want to increase the yeah, you might want to increase this to look a bit nice. Then do go to picture and text field, then select file. Let's say I have a passport. Yeah, I should have a passport. Okay. Yeah, okay. And the next you want to do is to come in with your text. Remember, you are introducing a member of your staff. Where is to come with your text, something like this, and you say, okay, this is just how it's gonna look like. This is how it's gonna look like. So what we are going to do is we are just going to select all. We are going to select all these. We are going to select all. We are going to select all and group it Ctrl G. All right, we're going to select it all and do Ctrl G. So what we'll be doing next is we're going to be duplicating the slide to as many staff we want to introduce as possible. You understand? So we are just going to be doing the same thing, and we are going to be interchanging the ID card drop and the name, as in the text, corresponding text, one after the other according to the number of staff we are trying to introduce. So let's quickly do that. Having have duplicate, the next we'll be doing is to select our ID, select our ID, then go to animation, then we do fly in. Okay, it's coming from down. So we just change the effect from head to from top like this. Then we select click after previous. Just increase the duration. Let's increase the duration. Then you just go to animation pane and just come here and do more animation, more effect option. Go to effect option, do bounce end. Say bounce end. Just increase it to like 1, 2, 3, 4, like 4, 6. Yeah. Okay. So okay, it's a bit slow, so we are going to reduce it. Okay, can we have it? Let's have it previewed. All right, let's go back to animation effect. Let's increase this to let's see how it's going to bounce. Okay, all right, I think we are good. Think we are good. Then on this we are going to be making it fade, do fade. Then it's going to be after the previous. See, the previous after the previous. Okay, I think this is much. Let's do it this way in order to save time. Then we are going to be applying the same effects to all the slide. Yeah. All right, all is set. And the next thing we just need to do now is just to preview it by tapping F5 or clicking the icon here. We say start from beginning. Okay, nice one. Good, good. So if you are watching us to this stage, kindly please subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the notification button so that you'll be the first to get notified whenever we drop a video on this channel. Thank you for always supporting us. God bless you. See you